I wanted to put together a quick video given some of the recent news. We are receiving a number of calls asking about a 0% interest rate mortgage. These calls are coming because of the Federal Reserve's decision to cut interest rates to a range of 0 to 1/4%. The thought process behind these rate cuts is to help stimulate the nation's economy as we're experiencing a major hit due to the coronavirus pandemic. As a result of this rate reduction, it's causing apprehension among investors, and the stock market has dropped significantly over the last few days. Now, how does this pertain to that 0% mortgage, you ask? Well, the short answer is it won't. In and of itself, the Fed's rate cut won't cause mortgage rates to fall. The two are not related. Mortgages are long-term loans. Their interest rates tend to track with the long-term bond yields rather than the short-term interest rates, such as the federal funds rate. Specifically, a correlation can be found on the yield of a 10-year Treasury note and a 30-year Treasury note and the mortgage rates. When yields fall, interest rates typically fall, and vice versa. Now, even if the bond prices do drop to zero, it doesn't mean that mortgage interest rates would be zero as well. Since mortgages are considered riskier than a Treasury bond, there would still be interest tied to those mortgage. Some experts out there predict that it can get to as low as about 2.5%. For those wondering out there, for a quick history lesson, this is not the first time the Fed has cut its benchmark rate to zero. Rates were held at that level between December of 2008 to December of 2015 during the Great Recession. Listen, the fear of the unknown is a very real thing. I have a family, I have 4 kids, and I'm not immune to any of this. However, you can count on me to help guide you through these ever-changing times. We are here to separate the facts from fiction, help make the complicated understandable, and help show you ways to put you and your family in a position to win through home ownership. My name is Reggie with Highlands Residential Mortgage, and I look forward to serving you and your family.